The immune system in our body is closely related to gut health and the brain. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend our body against harmful pathogens, such as viruses and bacteria. The gut is an important part of the immune system, as it contains a large number of immune cells, and is home to trillions of beneficial bacteria known as the gut microbiota. Research has shown that gut microbiota plays a crucial role in shaping the immune system and promoting its healthy function. The gut microbiota communicates with the immune system through various mechanisms, such as the production of metabolites that regulate immune cell function and the stimulation of the gut-associated lymphoid tissue, GALT, which is a part of the immune system that is present in the gut. Furthermore, the gut-brain axis is a bidirectional communication pathway that connects the gut and the brain. This connection is facilitated by the nervous system, immune system, and endocrine system. The gut-brain axis is involved in regulating various physiological processes such as digestion, metabolism, and mood. Research has shown that gut microbiota also plays a crucial role in the gut-brain axis. The gut microbiota can produce neurotransmitters and metabolites that can affect the brain and behavior. For example, the gut microbiota can produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and has been linked to depression and anxiety. In summary, the immune system, gut health, and brain are closely related and work together to maintain the overall health and well-being of the body. A healthy gut microbiota is essential for a healthy immune system, and the gut-brain axis plays an important role in regulating various physiological processes. Emotions can also affect our immune system. Research has shown that there is a complex interaction between our psychological and physiological states. For example, stress, anxiety, and depression have all been linked to changes in the immune system. When we experience stress, the body releases stress hormones such as cortisol, which can suppress the immune system. This can make us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Chronic stress can also lead to inflammation, which can contribute to a range of health problems including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. On the other hand, positive emotions such as happiness, contentment, and optimism have been linked to better immune system function. Research has shown that positive emotions can increase the production of immune cells and enhance the function of natural killer cells, which are important for fighting off infections and tumors. It's important to note that emotions alone do not determine our immune system function. Other factors such as genetics, diet, exercise, and environmental exposures also play a role. However, our emotional state can have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being. Therefore, it's important to take care of our mental health as well as our physical health. Here are several things that are important for maintaining a healthy immune system. First, a balanced and nutritious diet. The food we eat is essential for maintaining a healthy gut and immune system. A diet that is high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and processed ingredients can cause inflammation, disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, and weaken the immune system. This is because these foods lack the essential nutrients that are needed to support immune system function and promote gut health. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can provide the essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients necessary for a healthy immune system. For example, foods such as berries, leafy greens, and citrus fruits are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which can help support immune system function. Foods that are high in fiber, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, can also promote gut health by feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut. On the other hand, diets that are high in processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fats can contribute to inflammation, disrupt gut microbiota, and impair immune system function. For example, diets high in saturated fats and refined carbohydrates have been shown to promote inflammation and increase the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Therefore, eating a healthy and balanced diet that includes a variety of whole and processed foods is key to supporting gut and immune system health. Choosing organic and non-processed foods can also be beneficial as they may contain fewer harmful additives and pesticides that can potentially harm the gut microbiota and immune system. Second, regular exercise. Regular exercise can improve immune system function by increasing circulation, reducing inflammation, and stimulating the production of immune cells. Third, good sleep hygiene. Getting adequate sleep is important for immune system function, as sleep helps the body repair and regenerate itself. Fourth, stress management. Chronic stress can negatively impact the immune system, so it's important to manage stress through techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Fifth, good hygiene practices. Simple measures such as washing hands regularly, covering the mouth when coughing or sneezing, and avoiding close contact with sick individuals can help prevent the spread of infections. Lastly, avoiding unhealthy habits. Avoiding smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and other unhealthy habits can help maintain a healthy immune system. Overall, a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, good sleep hygiene, stress management, good hygiene practices, and avoidance of unhealthy habits is the most important thing for maintaining a healthy immune system. Have a healthy and beautiful day.